Alright, I'm standing in the kitchen right now. Here's the kitchen. That's where the island's going to be. That's where the kitchen is going to be. The refrigerator is going to be right there. Stove is going to be right here. You go over here and here's the stairs in the front hall. So that over here, the TV will be right there. The double-sided fireplace will be right here, which is right here. And looking back over, here's the breakfast nook. And so we can go past the kitchen again. There's up the stairs. And here's to the front door. And over to the dining room, which connects through back to the kitchen over there. And then over on our left, as we come from the kitchen, is the living room, right here. And today, they just added our front porch, which is out here. It goes way over there, to way over here, and wraps around the corner. And coming back in, you nice, big, tall, two-story foyer, and the open hallway upstairs. The stairs angle over to the family room and the kitchen. On the right is a coat closet and the bathroom. And then they also did the back porch today, with our double-sided fireplace and all these awesome woods that the deck looks out onto. One house way over there. Other than that, all woods. Nice looking deck. Back at all woods. Make sure I don't fall off the deck. And looking back at the house, there's the double-sided fireplace. Gonna be right there. And there's another house that they're building right now, which is way up there. And they were nice enough not to clear. This is all their land over here. They were nice enough not to clear it. So we get to enjoy it as woods. And I'll do upstairs another video, just to finish the downstairs. This is the kitchen again. Pantry, right here on the corner. Goes into the mudroom, which goes to the garage that way, and then continues into the guest room. So this was a 3-car garage. We converted to the 2-car garage for the guest room's sake. And here's the guest room with 2 windows and a bath. And toilet eventually. And sink eventually. And the closet right there. We're doing all sorts of electrical. There's the panel outside in the garage. And I'll do the upstairs another video.